Audio is really important in video and content creation. Here we have the original Rode Wireless Go, and today I'm talking about the evolution of the Rode Wireless Go because I'm talking today about the Rode Wireless Pro. So Rode reached out to me and sent me the Wireless Pro, but I'm not going to do a review because obviously I've been sent this by Rode. So I'm going to be trying the Rode Wireless Pro set out with a Sony mirrorless camera where we've got a 3.5mm headphone jack as the audio input. I'm going to be trying it out with a Insta360 X3 360 action camera, the DJI Pocket 3 and an iPhone 13 Pro. In our first set, we have the transmitters and receivers in a charging case, and as you can see here, this charges over USB-C, and we have all the other accessories nicely sorted within another case. So everything you get in the set you can see here. Now I've also done an unboxing video and you can see that here as well. So this is the included lavalier microphone and it fits in here, and it also has a screw thread on the transmitter so you can screw it in nice and tightly. You've also got a button here, and if you press this button you get a red indicator, and the reason you get a red indicator is because it's recording internally to this transmitter, and you can export this from the transmitter later using the Rode Connect app. This will record in 32-bit float if you set it that way. Other features that I like are we've got a metal back that you can put onto the clip, and then you can use this with a magnet to attach this magnetically to things like shirts and clothing, which is really useful. So I live in Milton Keynes, so I'm going to be going outside to do some video tests with the various cameras. Hello, we are in Stony Stratford, which is part of Milton Keynes. It's quite a windy day, so I'm using the lav mic with the wind muff or wind cover. That's plugged into the Rode Wireless Pro, and this is a much more historic part of Milton Keynes, Stony Stratford, compared to things in my other videos. Hopefully the sound is coming out okay because there's traffic over there, there's a bit of noise over there, and there's quite a lot of wind at the moment. So hopefully this is coming out quite well. So I'm going to use the Insta360 X3, and you need an audio adapter, and I've left the audio adapter at home, so I'm going to have to do things slightly differently. I've got the Rode wireless transmitter here. I put the wind muff on into this. I'm not using a lav mic, and I've secured it to my shirt just using the magnet. So I've got a magnet this side of my shirt and I'm just clipping it on like so. So because this is a video about Milton Keynes and older things in Milton Keynes, I've come to the concrete cows, which have been around since Milton Keynes was founded. Here I am looking at the concrete cows. The Insta360 X3, which is what I'm recording on, needs an audio adapter to accept audio input, and of course I left this at home, so I'm just recording straight into the Rode Wireless Pro transmitter. I'm using the inbuilt storage to record that in hopefully 32-bit float if I've set it correctly, and my hope is that I'm going to just pair the sound up in post and fix it that way. With the Rode Wireless Pro microphone, I've got a wind muff on. I've just attached it to my body using the supplied magnets. So hopefully that's going to be suitable. As you can see over here, we are really close to a main road, so I hope the sound is good enough. Thank you. Goodbye. So I'm at Willen Lake, and behind me you can see the Peace Begonia, and I'm in a big field. I'm just holding the Rode Wireless Pro like a lot of people do. You see people holding wireless microphones. It's a little bit windy, so I've played it safe and I put the supplied wind muff on, and what I'm doing is I'm transmitting to the receiver. The receiver is plugged in to the iPhone 13 Pro, just using the supplied USB-C to lightning cable, and I'm using the telephoto lens on the iPhone 13 Pro. So it's really simple. I just plug it in and it all seems to work fine, and I'm really happy, and hopefully good sounds recorded. So I'm now much closer to the Peace Begonia in Willen Lake, and again I'm recording just by holding it, doing that really annoying YouTube thing of holding the wireless microphone. It is a bit windy. I've got the wind muff on just straight into the recorder. I'm going to take it off so we can see if there's any difference. So is there any difference? Does it make a difference, or is it, good enough without? I don't know. Maybe the wind's not strong enough. So I'm recording straight into the DJI Pocket 3 using the supplied USB-C to USB-C cable just from the transmitter. Now, something I really liked about the set was I liked that you've got included lavalier microphones. I like that you've got the anti-pop filters, and I like that you've got dead cats and wind muffs. However, you do have to carry around 2 cases for the microphones, the receiver, and all the accessories, which might not be to everyone's liking. If you download the Rode app for your computer, you can plug the Rode microphone set into your computer via USB-C, and you can make adjustments. So here you can see I'm making an adjustment so that we've got 32-bit recording, and you can also use the Rode Connect app to export any files you've internally recorded to the transmitters. So do let me know what you think of the Rode Wireless Pro, and let me know if you have any questions, because I'd love to answer them for you. Thank you. Goodbye.